Hi there, my name is Robert, and in this video I will walk you through the whole process on how to buy hosting from Siteground step by step. As you can see on their website, which you can access through a link down below this video, they have 4 different services depending on what your goal is. If we want a simple WordPress website, we can start with WordPress hosting over here. High performance WooCommerce hosting is for those of you who want to start an e-commerce business, and it is optimized for WordPress too. Remember that you can always upgrade or downgrade the service depending on your needs. The people behind this fantastic hosting platform are ready to help you 24/7. So, for now, click on Get Started over here and then choose the plan that perfectly fits your needs. Again, you can start with the cheapest one, which is for one website, 10 GB web space and 10K visits per month. Of course, you get essential WordPress features like WP install, auto updates, SSL certificate, and many more, all for free. Click on Get Plan. Choose whether you want to register a new domain or just simply stay with the one you already have. For a new domain name, choose tools like domainwheel.com, which is a beneficial domain name generator where you can type in words like cool gadgets, for example, and then you can see the best available domains below. You can also choose if you want just .com suggestions. If you decide to buy coolgadgetsfit.com, for example, you can use that domain to promote products from Amazon.com through their partner program and make money for every sale you generate. That's so cool, right? I am thinking about creating an in-depth tutorial on how to make money and generate passive income with WordPress, site or blog. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and then hit the bell to get notified when new videos are published. Leave a comment below if you're interested in that kind of videos. Let's go back to Siteground for now and type in the domain you want to buy over here, and then choose .com in this dropdown. We can see that when we choose to register a new domain name, there is a yearly fee in euro or US dollars depending on the region you access their website from. Also, the price is different for EU domains, .com, .net, and so on. Whenever you feel ready, just click on Proceed. If the chosen domain name is available, you will get this success message on the next page, and you can start typing in your account and client information in the fields below. Start with your account details like email and password, and keep in mind those because you will use them to manage your account later on. Enter your client information here, choose your country, and then go ahead to the payment information section below. If the billing address is the same as given in the contact information, just keep this box checked. If not, uncheck it and then type in your billing address in the fields below. Finally, the purchase information is what you can see over here with the chosen plan, which you can change if you want that. The data center is Europe in my case, and you can choose the period from 12 to 36 months. If you are from the UK, choose the United Kingdom data center, US if you are in America, and so on. The perfect location for you will be automatically selected, so you don't need to worry about doing something wrong here. The best deal for the hosting price comes when you choose the 36 months plan, because you get the 3.95 rates for all those 36 months of hosting. If you stay with the 12, you will pay $9.95 after the billing cycle is finished. Although you can feel it is a little bit too much comparing it with other hosting providers, the quality of their service is worth every penny. I know what I say because I am using Siteground for more than 12 months. Don't need to believe what I say. Test it, and if you are not satisfied, you will have 30 days money-back guarantee. If you want domain privacy and SG site scanner, check these boxes, but remember that you can start without them and add them later if needed. New websites usually don't need these extra features, so you're just fine without them. Now we are at the final step of our how to buy hosting from Siteground tutorial. We need to confirm that we have read the terms of service and privacy policy pages. Then check if we want to receive news and special offers by email. I don't want that, so I will keep it unchecked. The I confirm box is mandatory and the second box is optional, so make sure you check at least the first box before clicking the Pay Now button. I suggest checking all the details above before clicking on Pay Now. Make sure everything is correctly typed in, so you won't have issues accessing your service. Click on Pay Now, then you're all set. Well, we talk about WordPress, right? And you want to have a website up and running as soon as possible. So, the first thing we need to do next is to install the content management system. Siteground offers one-click WordPress install, so go ahead and do it. Then log into your dashboard and start building your website. Choose a fancy design by searching for Neve over here. This is a speedy WordPress theme which works excellently with Elementor and WooCommerce, so confirm your selection and then complete the installation. Now you can go to your dashboard and start customizing your website. Everything is up and running, and if you visit your live website, you can see that it looks great. The best way to add your own content is with Elementor, so you can click on Edit with Elementor above. The page you will see next is the live editor of Elementor, where you can start changing the text, images, and the background, like so. Once you are ready, click on the Update button below, or preview the page, so you can be sure everything looks great. This is your homepage now, and you can start adding more content, like pages and posts, and you can edit your menu too. Check out the recommended video above to see how you can customize Neve step by step. If you have questions, leave a comment below and I will answer it. Feel free to check out other video tutorials we publish weekly about WordPress. Then subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified when new videos are posted. See you in the next one.